To do a plant update. Peppers are looking good. We have got the sugar snap peas and the corn looking great. We've got a bloom on the sugar snap peas already. Look at the stalk on that. It looks really good. More peppers. Everything's looking really good. That celery looks really nice. Look at our tomatillos. So many blooms already. Looky here. Some peppers. Carrots are looking good. Ah, looky there. It's the daikon. We've got some blooms starting on our tomatoes. This is the baby corn. It's coming along good. Onions, tomatoes. Onions are looking good. It's about time to grab the garlic. Actually, we may grab one of these now. Let's grab this one. Oh! Doesn't look ready. Yeah, they're too small. Not ready. Blueberry bush is looking good. Our raspberries had something eating the leaves, but they're coming back. Thank goodness. Strawberries are looking good. The yarrow is looking beautiful. My false unicorn still is not. We've got one that's producing. Ashwagandha. It needs to catch up a little bit. Look at that bee balm. It's doing great. So is foam floater. Astragalus is popping up. Our Greek oregano. It's coming up. Marshmallow. Yay. Chocolate holy basil. First time growing it this year. Comfrey's doing well. Hyssop. It's doing pretty good. Lemon balm. This is a pineapple mint. First time growing it. Be interesting to see the flavor in a tea. This is cherry skullcap. And this is lemon basil. And this is lupine lupus. Lupine lupineus. And this is blue flower. And then back here is evening primrose. Lady's mantle is looking really good. We got some catnip on the backside. The borage is looking good. We got another one right here. Some more catnip. Some hyssop. Horehound needs a lot of water. So does the dead nettle. I need to get these watered today. Pokeweed's looking good, along with the California poppy. It's not too late, friends, to start that garden. Do a container garden. It's worth it.